Hello, guys. Hello, hi, good morning. Hello, guys. Hi, Samrendra. Hi, Sanjay. Good morning. Good morning, guys. Am I audible? I hope I'm audible. Hi, Priyanka. Good morning. Good morning, guys. So, which place you are from? Can you write which place you belong to? You're joining from which area? So that you get to know people from different cities. Hi, Ajay. Good morning. Am I audible, guys? Hi, Ashish. Good morning. Hi, Manoj. Manju. Wow, awesome, guys. Hi, Hare Krishna. Hi, Dilip. Good morning. Am I audible? Okay, we're close to 12 people joining now. So let's wait for a couple of more minutes so that more people can join. Hi, Brahmanand Reddy. Good morning. Hi, Salendra. Good morning, Salendra. We have 13 people right now. Let's wait for some more time, couple of minutes more. All right. So, guys, I think good. We are close to 13 right now. Hi, audible. Okay. Hi, Uma. Good morning. Manju is telling I'm audible. Sweet but is also good morning. All right, I think good. Let's. We started 2 minutes late today, so I think we can wait for 2 more minutes. Hi, Aparna. Good morning, guys. You also can type which place you are joining. I think Brahmananda has mentioned. Others also can write which place you are from, and we will start in just 2 minutes. And by the way, today we are going to do a workout, upper body workout. I hope all of you have water bottle with you, and you also have this towel. We may not need a mat today because I mean it may not be that much required, but it's good to have a water bottle and towel. So let's yes, you can also, everybody can tell which place you're joining from. Shalendra is from Bangalore. Good. Bangalore is climate is nice today. I see it's quite a sunny day. How about others? Just which place you're from, and do you see the sunny day today? Manoranjan Sahu is also watching. Priyanka Patel is from Odisha. Great. Ashish is from Delhi. Hi Asli. Great. Aparna is from Bangalore. Great. We have people from multiple cities. That's fun. I mean, this is the best part in this online workout, you know. You can join from anywhere. Samaranda Jana is from Bangalore. Okay, we have close to 20 people now. And we'll start. Alright. Good morning, guys. So this is Jagan today, and I'm going to work on the upper body workout today. So everybody, just make sure that you have a water bottle with you, and you also have a mat. If you have, is great. If not, no issues. We can still manage. And you should have a towel as well. Hi, Sasikant. Good morning. And Manoranjan Sahu. Good morning. Good, guys. All right. So what I'm going to do today is I'll take you step by step. Pretty hot in Odisha. Yeah, it's hot in Bangalore today as well. Okay, guys. So we'll do first we'll do warm-ups around. There'll be 4 warm-ups, each of them for 2 repetitions. And yeah, the warm-ups will be a little more stretching and relaxing kind of exercise, stretching and strength, building exercise. And after that, we move to the main exercise. The main exercise, we have around 4 rounds. Each of them will do for 4 times. 4 repetitions. 4 times we'll do. Each of them will do for around 10 to 15 repetitions. So the warm-up will do for around 20 repetitions, 20 times. And this main exercise will do for 15 repetitions. And finally, we'll do cool down. So everything is important because you cannot skip the warm-up part, you cannot skip the main exercise, you cannot skip the cool down. So warm-up is because all of us have just woken up and your body may not be conditioned to do any kind of exercise. So initially you have to get oxygen for your lungs, you get to the blood circulating to your different organs so that you feel, okay, you are good to go. All right, 23 people now. Swagatika, hi, good morning. Vinod, Swagatika and Vinod, you can tell also which place you are from. That will be great. Brahman is feeling nice weather in Pune, 24 degrees. Great. So Pune is like Bangalore. I know that. Good, guys. So first, what I'll do is I'll be first telling you first warm up. What are things to be done step by step. Then after that, we start the iterations. Okay. So first warm up which we are going to do is arm swing with lateral step. So let me show you how it is going to happen. Get some idea. All right. So guys, so these are arms, right? So stretch your arms first of all. This I'm just showing you, demonstrating you. You can also see this. So what I'm trying to do here is I'm trying to bring the arms together, and when I bring them together, I'm lateral steps. I'm moving one step inside. Okay. Again, I'm moving the hands back. Next, what I'm doing is again I'm taking them together. Again, one leg back. Okay. So this we have to do for 20 times. So again, if I show you, so when I'm moving, observe my position. I'm going a little down. So what we'll do is this is arm swing with the lateral steps. This we have to do 20 times. So when I say 20, one iteration, one plus one can be left and right can be one iteration. So that way you have to do 20 times. Okay. Next we have to do prayer push-up. So there are 4 different exercises in warm-up. Okay. Swagatika is from Odisha. Great. Good morning, Arvinda. Great. So next is a prayer push-up. Prayer push-up, I'll just show you how it is. So it's a very Indian style. Be in a prayer position, like this, the way I am. And what you need to do is, so this is the namaste, okay? And the thing is, you are moving your hands. So obviously, you're working on your biceps, you're working on your shoulders, and also on your chest. So all this, all this upper body workout is mostly on your arms, biceps, on your you can say your core and shoulders also. So this will be mostly taking part of your upper body. So obviously there are some exercise which will be little easy for you, which will do just to warm up. And as you keep on moving forward, you can see some exercise will stretch a little, and your muscles can be sore also. So you need rest tomorrow, or maybe a couple of hours rest needed. Okay, so we did one, two exercises we did. Third one we'll do now. So I'm demonstrating again the third one. After that we'll do it all 20 times. Okay, chest opener will look. Okay, chest opener. So it's opening the chest and moving one leg forward. Observe this. Chest opener with a calf stretch. So this is the one which is the chest opener with the calf stretch. Not audible. Am I audible, guys? Swagatika is telling I'm not audible. Good morning, Kishore Sahu. Okay, Uma send the link. Uma, you can send the link to broadcast group also. Okay, am I audible, guys? I think Swagatika is saying I'm not audible. Somebody can tell, confirm whether I'm audible or not audible. Am I audible? Yes, voice is clear. Great. So we did 3 exercises. Now fourth one we'll do jumping tees. Jumping tee. So what I'm going to do is stand here, and this is a T position, right? So moving on a T position. All right. So there are 4 workouts one by one we will do now, and all of them we have to do 20 times. The the warm-ups all 20 times. Basically to make your muscles, upper body muscles ready for main workout. Okay. I hope everybody is now good. All right. Psycho is audible. Great. You can add bit louder. Okay. You want me to loud? Okay. Great. So we are going to do, guys, just to again what Brahman has told, I have to little loud. So guys, we'll do 4 exercises now, 4 warm-up exercises. Each of them will do 20 times, and I'll be counting. So obviously you can also count. All of you do not have to do 20 times. If you are a beginner, maybe you can do 10 times, 15 times based on how much you can do. Do not stress too much because you don't want to show your muscles too much. Okay, so I'll start with the first exercise, which is the arm swing with the lateral steps, and all 3 also together. So what I'm going to do now is I'm starting with the arm swing with the lateral step. I hope everybody is ready. Say yes, you are ready. We'll start the warm-up exercises. Just say yes. Now I'm starting with the first exercise. Twelve, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. See, look at my arm swings. It's lateral. 19, 20. All right. So now we're done with the arm swing with the lateral step. Next we're going to do is the prayer exercise, prayer push-up. So we do 2 exercises, we finished. Now I'm moving to the third exercise, chest opener with the calf stretch. This is one iteration. Second, keep counts guys, keep counts. Keep counting how many times you're doing it. And I want the data also, you can type how many times you're doing it. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16, 18, 20. Great. So next one is jumping T. I'll do again 20 times. And everybody should count your data, how many times you're doing it, and type it. Jumping T 20 times or 10 times. Chest opener how many times, or maybe you can just put a number. Okay. So start with jumping T. Alright guys. Oh, great. You can see a little bit sweat on my face. Are you also a little bit getting warmed up? Little warm up is there. So put your data, how many times you did each of these exercises. I did 20 times each of them. This is the first iteration. Now take a break for around 10 to 15 seconds and have some water. Now this is the second warm up, which will be again doing it, and last warm up before the main exercise. I think many of you could not note down how many times you are doing it. This second warm up, please note down how many times, how many repetitions you are doing it. 20. Great, Brahmanand. That's awesome. That's great. If you do 20 times, you can see you will be huffing and panting like me. Oh, great, man. Great. 25. Great. I like it. Put your data, guys. Okay, some of you missed out. This time, these 4 exercises, count your number. Because if you count it, you will know where you are. If you, let's say, not able to do much, slow down, but don't quit. Slow down, but don't quit. And put your data, okay? So again, we'll start with the arm swing with the lateral step, press, push up, and other 2 as well. Okay, 20. Brahmananda Patil is 20, Ajay is 25, Dilip is 20. Great, guys. Others, please put your data, okay? Now we'll start. Again, we'll start with arm swing to lateral step. So I'll count. All of you start counting your data, guys. Count your repetitions. 2, 4, 5. 10, 20. Great. Next, the prayer push up. Again 20 times. If you're a beginner, try 10 to 15 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. Great. Next is the chest opener, the calf stretch. Again 20 times. And this is one iteration. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yeah, done. The warm up is done, guys. Awesome. Sasi count is 30. My god, that's awesome. Abhijit. Okay, good morning, Gaurav. Guys, for the second warm up, how many iterations, how many repetitions did? Please type. We have close to 32 people. Awesome. I never thought on a weekend people will join. I thought they will be mostly taking rest for the day. Please type your data, guys. It's not about less or more. It matters, are you doing or not? Something is better than nothing. Put your iteration, how many times? And 30-second break now. You can have some water. So before the main exercise, it's a break, 20 seconds break. Brahmananda Reddy Patil, awesome. Brahmananda, that's awesome. 20 times. Salent Tiwari, wow, great. 20 is good. 20 is good warm up. You feel it. Do you feel the muscles are getting ready now for the real warm up? You're feeling the heat. Yeah. 21, that's awesome. Sweating, wow. Then the main exercise is coming yet. The real thing will happens now. The warm up is just warming up the muscles. All right, Arvind Patra 25, great guys, great. I like it. Parvati 32, wow, Parvati, that's awesome. Bino 20, superb. I mean, that is awesome, guys. Dilip to 30, wow. All right, I think we are good now. So let me help you to understand the main exercises. Samarendra Jana 25, great. So the main exercise we are going to do 4. One is first we'll do the push-up. I'll tell you a few things about push-up. Push-up, everyone thinks, you know, how it happens. So everyone thinks push-up is very simple, right? You just go down, go up, that's it. But there is some catch here in push-up. Let me tell you something. You know, if you don't do in the right way, your right muscles will not be feeling it, right? You won't actually working on the right muscles. So many people make a mistake, and I can tell you what are the mistakes you need to avoid and how to do the right posture for the push-up. So now it's not just going up and coming down. You just have to understand the mechanics behind it. So understand here a couple of things. First of all, the major mistake what people do, I can tell you and what you need to avoid. So while you do push-up, okay, let's say I come here. So most people, what mistake they do is, they will spread their hands and this elbows, they will be coming away, okay, moving away from the body. That is what major people do. I'll show you what is the wrong posture here. Just observe this. Can you observe? The elbows are almost perpendicular to my body. When I'm going down, it's almost going perpendicular to my body, which is wrong. So what should happen is, while you are going down, the elbows should be tucked in. That means close to your body. It should not be perpendicular like this. It should be diagonal, or it should be close, tucked into your body. Because if you do too much of stretching of your elbows while push up, what will happen is, the problem what you will face is, your shoulders will be, you know, there will be really lot of pressure on them. So you don't want it. A second thing, what mistake we do is, okay, I'll just, okay. So when the push up, always make sure that your body is straight and body is not bending. What major people mistake they do is, like this, So you're keeping the butt out and doing a push-up. That's not right. And second mistake is understood. So you're putting your back inside and trying to do push-up. That is also wrong posture. Okay. The right posture, what I can tell you, keep your body straight. So while you're here, keeping it complete like a straight line. See. Okay. And your hands, the palms, right? They should just below the shoulder, a little away from it, not too much. Now observe this push-up. If you're not able to see, let me know. I'll change the camera post side little. Okay. So this is my posture right now. Now I'll do push-up. Let's say. See my elbows tucking in. This is how it has to happen. Okay. I hope you got it. If you're not able to see, let me know. So that is how the push-up will happen. So push-up we have to do 10 to 15 times. If you are little advanced, do 15 times. If you are new, do 10 times. But it's up to you how many times you can do, but count your numbers. Second one we'll do is T-plank. Okay, we'll do step-up plank. I'll tell you how it is. Now plank and push-up are similar in terms of posture, right? In plank also you have to be straight. Your body should be straight. It should not be bent at your hips. It should not be bending up and down. Complete straight. Your neck should not be like this. Neck should be looking down. Let me show you. The plank position. Okay. See, my arms are just below my shoulders. Now you can see my complete body. It should be a straight line. Try to make it a straight line. Okay, now what is the step-up plank? Okay. So this is a very good exercise, by the way. A little difficult, I know that, but many of you will enjoy if you do it. Okay, step-up plank. So your plank position, then you're coming on your elbows. Okay, so that will do 10 to 15 times. And the third exercise, the toe touch kick. It's a simple one. So you start like this. Okay. Like this. So this is a toe touch kick. So all the exercises, for example, push-up or plank you talk about, right? So basically, they are for the strength and conditioning of your body. Okay. All the they are to increase your mobility, increase your stamina, increase your muscles, build your muscles and make your strength more strength. Okay, great. So next what we'll do is we'll do tricep dips. This also you need to observe. I'm showing you right now. After that we'll do 4 iterations, each of them. So tricep dips, what you need to do is, okay, keep your palms near to your hips. And you observe this. Alright, I hope that was clear. Anybody has questions? So basically you're working on your triceps. You are working on your tricep muscles while you're going down. Many people do on a bench, but we are not, all these exercises, we don't need any extra equipment. You just need a place. You just working on a body weight. You don't need any equipments, you don't need anything. And you are working on a body weight for all the exercises. And this can give you tremendous power. Okay? Through this whole process, I have lost around 15 kgs without equipment. So it's possible. So is it clear? Anybody has a question? These 4 exercises we'll do. We start now if no questions. 4 exercises. Start with push-up now. All of you clear? All right. So I think we're good to go now. So let's start with push-ups. We'll do 15 times. For new people, if you feel, make it 10 times at least. Go down and come up. Go down and come up. Elbows should be tucked in, okay? And your body should be straight. Just look at those things. Very, very important. So start off. Please count your numbers also. I want other numbers at the end of it. Look down. Keep breathing. It's 15 times, guys. Put your data. I've done 15 times. Put your data. Next is plank. Step up plank. Like a push-up position only. Now what are you doing? Straight, body should be straight. Neck should be down. If you cannot do this, a little difficult, be on your knees. In fact, for push-up also, you can be on your knees as well. Okay, I'll show you how to do on the knees for the beginners. Okay. Okay, we're done. 15 times. Next is toe touch kick. All right. And the last one is tricep dips. Alright guys, I think we're done. 15 times each. How about others? Please put your data. How many times you have done? So we'll take a break now for around 15 to 20 seconds. Then we'll start with second repetition. Each of the set, we'll do it for 10 to 15 times. And push up also, if you're not able to do complete straight, bend on your knees, you can do push up also. I'll show you that. So you find it a little difficult to do full body, then do it on the knees on the ground, and you can do push up and also plank. Are you enjoying, guys? Am I clear? Voice is coming. Am I audible? So we'll do the second set. Arms are burning. Uma saying, oh, Salinity, very great. 10 to 15 is awesome. And as I said, somebody is not able to do, bend down on your knees and do it. I'll show you that in this set. Second set will start now. Okay, we'll start with second set. So again the push up. In push up I'll do 5 times straight and 5 times bending on my knees. Okay. Brahmananda is doing awesome. 20 times. We'll see the data. Meanwhile, let me start the second set. So, see, this is I'm doing now. Started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, now 10 times straight I did. Now I'll have to bend on my knees and do it. This is a little easier one if you are doing push-up for the first time. See now how I'm doing it. Oh, done. Next is plank to push up. This is for the beginner level. You can actually mix both as well. When you get tired, just be on the knees. Oh. Done. I've done 15 times now. Next is toe touch. Now the tricep dips. Again 10 to 15 times. Keep your hands behind your glutes and move up and down. You should feel your tricep muscles moving on. All the load in your triceps. All right, we are done with the second set, guys, and you can see I'm sweating. By the 50% done, another 50%, another 2 more set is ready. We'll do 2 more set. Okay, let me see the data now. Shailendra Tiwari 10 to 15, Brahma did 20, 20, 15. That's awesome. Devasish Avath, push-up is 8, plank is 10. Great, awesome. This is good, guys. Sasikant also typing something. I just said you can also get on your knees and do it. It's not a problem, but do not stop. All these 4 sets you have to complete. If less repetition is okay, no issues, but I want you to complete all the 4 sets. So right now we start with the third set. You can put a data now for the second set, how many times you have done. We have 15 seconds break. I'm sure at the end of the fourth set, you'll be sweating like crazy. You'll almost take a bath and you sweat. That's for sure, guys. Okay, Surendra is 10, Sasi is 6, great. Joseph, Ajay Joseph is 10, 12. Wow, Ramananda is tracking. This kind of tracking is very required, guys. Each of the exercise, how many times you're doing it. See, that's awesome. Alright, we'll start with the third set right now. And after that, one last set is left, and finally do cool down. Okay, third set again with the push-up. I'll do advanced and after beginners. Both I'll do together so that all of you can see. Devasish second set, push-up is 9, plank is 15, others 20. Great, great. Dilip, awesome. 15, everything 15. Awesome, guys. I like it. You see the explosive. Your muscles are almost getting stretched. The body on fire right now. You'll enjoy next 2 sessions, next 2 sets like crazy. Because that is where you are burning the fat, guys. Let's do it. Again, start the push-up. I'll do for the advanced. Again, I'll go to beginners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10. Now I'm getting on my knees and doing it as well. so that both of you, both advanced and beginners, both you can see how I'm doing. All right, 15 done. 10 advanced and 5 beginners. Next I'm going to the plank. Plank step up. Plank step up is really, I love it guys. I know you'll also like it because it actually gives you good burn. Okay, get a plank and then move on. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. All right, done. Done. Next one is toe touch. All right, guys. Keep breathing, guys. Don't stop breathing. You see the core muscles energized. You can see the stability. Feel the stability. All the muscles, triceps, biceps, chest, everything gets stressed. You feel your upper body on fire right now. Keep your body straight. Move your leg. Hands should be straight. Touch your toes. All right. Done. Last one, triceps. Let's be on the mat. Completely sit straight. Your hips just behind the glutes. Lift your hips and move down. You can see, you can feel your tricep muscles. Oh. Oh. Boy. Oh, great, man. We are done. All three sets are done. Now last step. Last set is left. Okay, I'll see the data now. All right. Dilip, Arvind is 15 each. Great. Samananda Jana 10, 25, 20, 20. Okay, Uma Mitali enjoying. Okay, great. See guys, I'm sweating. And this is fun guys, when you sweat, you like it. And the last set you have to give your best. Okay, but I want, if somebody can type how many iterations, how many repetitions you did for each of the exercises. I did 15 all. Last one was 16 I guess. Put your data as well before you go for the last exercise. You can see the breathing, right? Keep breathing guys. Keep your lungs open. Inhale and exhale. Breathe in and breathe out. Very important to breathe. And take some water in between the break. You need a lot of energy, and for that you need water. You need many other things. A little variation, that's good. I'll read what you wrote. Devasis told something. I did little variation, push up, then kick, then plank, bench. That's awesome, no problem. Because after push up, you will do little variation is good. So your muscles get little bit more time to do the plank. Brahmananda is 10, 10, 15, 10, awesome. Ajay is 12, 15, 12, 15, awesome. Salendra is 8 to 10, all great guys. Now this is the last exercise. I want you to give your best. I know you are tired. You almost, okay, enough is enough. I want to now go, but I will not leave you so easily guys. Last round we have to really push ourselves. Let's do a little bit more, and that's the fun. See, you should feel the sweats falling in the ground. That's the fun guys. That means we are doing really good. Arvind 12 to 10, 12, 10, 15, 18. That's awesome. So last set guys. Get ready. For last set, if you feel there's no energy, do on your knees, get on your knees and do the push-up and plank. You should be able to do it, no issues. Alright guys, last set. Let's get ready. Again on push-up, keeping my arms just below the shoulders and keeping my body straight. Don't look little down, it's okay. Your spinal should be straight, your body should be straight, your neck muscles should be straight, and your hands should be little outside your shoulders. Now push up. This 10 times advanced. Now 5 times beginners. Alright, we are done. Next one is plank. Plank step up. Again in the push-up position. Straight body. Everything, body is complete straight. No bending in your hips, no bending on your back. Now, you are basically going from straight plank to elbow plank. Observe this. I know your body must be aching a lot and you are feeling tired, but let's do it a little bit more. Now go to your knees and doing it as well. Done. Alright, next is toe touch kick. Oh boy, that's awesome. Right, now the last exercise of the day, guys, the tricep dips. Just sit straight now. Keep your body straight. You can little bend. Your arms are just pointing at your hips. Now the tricep dips on. We're done, guys. We're done. We did all the 4 sets and each of them I will do multiple times. How many times you have done, guys? Put the numbers. I want to see the data. Last set. How many times you have done, guys? You can see the body is exploding now. Oh, we're sweating like crazy. Are you guys enjoying? Or already very difficult to type now? You might be sweating on the phone if you type, in fact. It happens sometimes. You have to keep the phone a little far so that you can type without letting the water fall on your phone. This is awesome, guys. I'm feeling awesome. Your body on fire right now. 10, 15, 10, 10. Awesome. How are you feeling, Brahmananda? Do you feel the fire? Are you enjoying it? Arvind, 12, 10, 15, 18. Awesome. Awesome. Arvind Patra, 4 set. 15, 18, 10, 20. Wow. Shalindra 7 to 8 all. Great. Ajay 15, 15, 15, 10. That's awesome. See, that is what important. It's not about how many, what is your number data. You're doing every exercise. That's important. If you do 5 times, I'm fine. But you have to do it. The time you do it, you enjoy it. Okay. Guys, take some 30, 15-second break. Have some water. Because now we're going to cool down. It is very important to cool down because your body is right now stressed, your muscles are stressed, your push-ups, all the chest muscles are right now little sore. So you need to relax the muscles. Otherwise, your muscles will be, either wear and tear. So you need to cool down, you need to relax the muscles, let the blood flow to the different parts of the body. You should enjoy. Exact word is body on fire. We're enjoying the heat. That's awesome. Amazing sweat all over my face and not body. Muscles are tight. Great, guys. Obviously, I'd like to see the photos at the end of the session. Now I'll do cool down. In cool down, because upper body, first we'll do is we'll cool down on your chest. I'm stretching on your chest, then back, then bicep, tricep, then cooling down of we'll do child pose. I'll just show you everything. It's simple, superb, it's awesome. Great, guys. So cool down. Let's cool down now. How to cool down? So first thing is, because you've done most of the work on the upper body, so you need to, your back, your core muscles, your triceps, biceps, your chest, all need to, you do a little stretching for them. Okay. First is your back. Do like this. Stretch your back. Put your fingers, hands like this, and stretch your back. It's for stretching of your back and cooling down. Okay. Next is for the chest muscles. See how I'm doing it? You can do as well. Push your arms a little behind. Pull them as much as you can. Your chest muscles should come out. You should feel the chest is actually being pulled from behind. Okay. That's good. You can feel a little relaxed after this cool down. Alright, next is a bicep. Put your one hand like this and try to, other hand like this, perpendicular, and try to pull it towards you. Now this hand you're pulling towards you. See? Oh, can you see? My bicep muscles actually I feel getting pulled. Similarly, this side. Oh my god. So bicep muscles. Next is triceps. Put your hand like this, other hand like this, and try to pull this right hand towards the middle of the head. And I can feel my tricep muscles. Now switch your hands, other hand like this, and same way. Next is for the wrist. Put your hand like this. This is for the wrist muscles. Just pulling them towards you. Similar like this. Alright. So last cool down of the day. What I'm going to do is get onto the mountain pose. The mountain, get into child pose. How the child sits, like this. Like this, be on the child pose, and one of your hands should go under your chest like this, and put your head like this, and put your head on the ground. You can feel it's quite relaxing. It's a child pose. I'm moving right hand inside my body and just relaxing my head on one side. Now I'll switch my hands. Again, child pose. The other hand will have to go below the head. Alright guys, so we are done. We are done for the day. So how was the session guys? You can see the sweating. Are you guys sweating or not? Dilip Kumar is saying I am done with 15 times. Great Dilip. Kishore Sahu, good session. Sudhir is saying awesome. Body is exploding. Awesome guys. So what we did today is we did upper body workout. We work on your triceps, your biceps, your core muscles. So this also the push-ups and plank. This also good for your, for your core muscles, for the back, because when you straighten your body, it actually works on your core, and your core has to be very strong, because the core is actually the thing which connects your whole body. And obviously chest exercise we did tricep, we did movements, lot of movements we did. And yeah, I think that's quite a great option. I think today your body will be, you feel this, your muscles today, little bit pain in your muscles. So what you need to do is guys, take a lot of water, because when you are working out, you are sweating a lot. You need to drink a lot of water. In fact, I'll tell you, take 5 to 6 liters of water every day. Very much required. And keep yourself hydrated all the time. And take care of yourself. Stay home and stay safe guys. Fresh, yeah, you'll definitely feel much fresh. I like the morning workouts. It gives you a lot of energy guys. It sets off your day actually on a positive note. The morning time exercise you do, whole day will be on awesome. You feel good all the time. And as I said guys, take a lot of fiber in your food. Take salads, take water, and sit properly. Don't slant your shoulders and all. Take water. That will be awesome. I think all these sessions, every workout session, we are going to teach you something different. And send your photos as well. I want to see your sweat out photos. So put in our WhatsApp or put in Telegram, wherever you are. Send your photos, how you're sweating, how you're feeling, energy, excitement. Because I'll tell you, this is the best time of your life. I mean, we are increasing the immunity, we're increasing our stamina, we're increasing a lot of things. Our bodies, the health is the new currency. I hope all of you enjoy that. Okay, good guys, I think we are done now. All of you had a great time. We'll see you again. We'll keep you posted about the next session. You can write your experience. Anybody else is doing workouts? I think I got a lot of messages. Ajay is telling thanks. Samaran is saying thanks so much. Very nice session. Manju Manoj, thank you. Yes. Brahmanand is telling sweating a lot, feeling fresh. Sasikan, there is no better way to feel amazing than to have a cold water shower after the amazing workout. Great. But do not take a bath just immediately after this. Take half an hour break. Otherwise you get a cold. Just after a workout, your body is heated. Don't take bath just immediately after this. Take half an hour break, then you take a bath. Salendra, thanks so much. Feeling great. Good session by Kishore. Great guys. Wonderful session. Thanks guys. Take care of yourself. See you again in next class. Thank you. Thanks a lot. And send your photos and everything. And also those of you joining for the first time, please fill the form so that we'll see what is your interest, and those exercises will also demonstrate. Thanks a lot. Thank you guys.